Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. This is the second installation. The first installation for my TCL 58 inch P635. Okay, and then Samsung, their Vesa is like more bigger, but this one is like smaller, only here and here only. So we're gonna have some difficulties like
To install bracket.
it will be over the what, the behind will be like a bit over below, so I don't want to use the bracket that they gave, because of I already have that bracket before, like a more like adjustable one actually.
Oh, like
So
this macam ni.
so well, let's try this.
Kuat tak? Macam tak kuat Tak boleh.
Tak boleh.
Kena dua ke?
Kena dua atas bawah. So there's no screw given for below, only screw given for the installation for the below part, but we're gonna use the new screw for behind, and then this one also we open up the screw and then try to put on the what, that one, the ring one, I don't know what you call it. So behind TCL TV is like so small and so narrow below. That's it, the brief one about TCL TV 58 behind Vesa. If you bought, then you know what exactly, which one the behind bracket is more suitable for it. The normal one, not the adjustable one. The adjustable one need a bit longer below. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.